स्टूडेंट्स, पिछले लेक्चर के अंदर हमने मेथड ऑफ लीस्ट स्क्वायर का एक सम देखा था, जिसमें किस तरह से ट्रेंड लाइन फाइंड करते हैं और किस तरह से हम फ्यूचर वैल्यू को एस्टिमेट करते हैं, उसके बारे में हमने सीखा था। आज उन्हीं पॉइंट्स को हम रिवाइज भी करेंगे और एक नया पॉइंट भी सीखेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड द ट्रेंड वैल्यूज। ओके, सी इन एक्सरसाइज 4.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द नंबर ऑफ टू व्हीकल्स, two-wheelers registered in 1000 in a city in different year is given below. Okay, ईयर वाइज इंफॉर्मेशन आपको दी हुई है नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स की, जो नंबर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन किसमें दी हुई है 1000 में। आप क्वेश्चन में चेक कर सकते हो, इन फर्स्ट ईयर 2010 देयर आर 69,000 व्हीकल्स आर रजिस्टर्ड। ओके, इन ब्रैकेट यू सी thousands are given, नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स के बाद क्या लिखा हुआ है, सी 1000। Okay, so here information is given a variable y in 1000, 69,000 in 2010, 75,000 in 2011, 82,000 in 2012, 91,000 in 2013, in the same way subsequent year. Okay, you have to remember this point also. Okay, at the last when you estimate the values, future values, then you have to write also same answer in 1000. Okay students, now by using the method of the least square, you have to fit a linear equation to this data. Okay, first of all you have to fit what, linear equation to this data and obtain the estimate for the number of vehicles registered in the year 2016 and 17. Okay, how many number of vehicles registered in 2016 and how many vehicles are registered in 2017, you have to estimate by using this data. Okay, after that see last point, which one is a new one, also find trend values for each year. Okay, trend values for each year, this one is a new point. Okay students, see either you have to estimate the future value or you have to find the trend values of each year. You must have to find a linear equation, that one is what, yt cap is equal to a plus bt. Is it clear? In any question of the method of least square, you have to find what, trend line. Complete? Okay. Before estimate the values of 2015, 16 and 17 and trend values, first of all we find what, trend line. See here, in last question I explained that. Okay, in the same way here also we find trend line. See, year wise information is given. Here also year wise information, there is a no gap, all are in equal interval. So time t denoted by symbolically t, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Complete? Okay, total of this one is what, 21. After that see value, number of vehicles, y is given. Okay, 69, 75, 82, 91, 101 and 115. We have to make the total of these values. Complete? See, total of these values is 533. Complete? Find t bar is equal to sigma t upon n, 21 divided by 6. Y bar is equal to sigma y upon n, 533 divided by 6. Okay, 21 divided by 6, which is equal to what, 3.5, and y bar 533 divided by 6 is equal to what, 88.83. Okay, here t bar and y bar complete. After that t into y and t square. See, 69 into 1, 69. 75 into 2, 150, 6, 246, 4, 364, 505, 6 5 is 30, carry on 3, 9 and 6, 690. Total of this one is equal to 2024, 2024. After that t square, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Complete? Total of this one is also equal to 91. Complete? Okay. Now put the value in formula. And number of observation 6. Sigma T1 2024 minus sigma T 21 sigma Y 533 upon and 6 sigma T square 91 minus sigma T का होल स्क्वायर 21 का होल स्क्वायर. Okay, in this way we put the values complete. Now do multiplication. 6 into 2024 which will equal to 12144. 21 into 533, so it will be equal to 11193 upon 6 into 91, 6 9 6 are 54, 546. After that 441 is the square of 21. Complete. Okay, reduction 12144 minus 11193, it will be equal to 951 upon 105. Therefore B is equal to what? 951 divided by 105, 9.06. Okay students, clear? After that second step, A is equal to y bar minus b t bar. Y bar is equal to 88.83. B is equal to 9.06 and t bar is equal to 3.5. Okay, 88.83 minus 9.06 into 3.5, so it will be equal to 31.71. इसको माइनस करेंगे इसमें से, you will get 57.12. Complete. Okay. After getting the 57.12, trend line yt cap is equal to a plus bt. Therefore, yt cap is equal to a 57.12, b is equal to 9.06 t. Okay students, this one is a linear trend. Last lecture में हमने इसी को फाइंड किया था, ऐसे ही फाइंड किया था. Same way here also we find this one. Okay. After this, in this question you have to estimate what trend values. Okay, so whenever in question trend values is asked, then keep some space in this format. Here we find directly trend values. See, trend values. Okay, for trend values you need equation yt cap is equal to 57.12 plus 9.06t. Okay, now 57.12 plus 9.06. What is given here? T. In this structure, where is T? Here is T. So you have to find the trend values of each year. For each year, you have to put the value T 1 by 1 in this equation. Is it clear? First value we put what? 1. After that, 57.12 plus 9.06 into T. 2. 57.12 plus 9.06 into 3. Same way remaining one also. Okay, now find the answer. 9.06 into 1 plus 57.12, so you will get answer 66.80. 66.80. Next answer is what? 75.24. Okay, next answer simply 84.30. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. Remaining three values, how you estimate? How you estimate? And if in equation plus is given, value of b is in plus, then add 9.06 in this answer. 9.06 in this answer. Okay, 84.30 in this answer. If you add 9.06, then you will get what? 93.36. Complete. Next value 93.36 by adding 9.06. It's very simple. Okay, then you will get answer what? 102.42. Okay, and in 102.42, if you add 9.06, then you get the answer of 57.12 plus 9.06 into 6. Directly you will get answer. Okay, so last answer is which one? 111.48. Students, in this way we find what? Trend values. Complete. Okay, it's a very simple and easy. Complete students. Okay, आप एस्टिमेट करना है तो आप लोग आराम से इजीली एस्टिमेट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, पिछले लेक्चर में आपको समझाया था कि इसके अंदर 2 इयर्स की वैल्यू एस्टिमेट करने की है, 2016 एंड 2017 के रिलेटेड. ओके, 2016 के रिलेटेड हाउ यू वैल्यू एस्टिमेट द वैल्यू? सी हियर. YT cap is equal to 57.12 plus 9.06 T is given. Okay, take T is equal to what? 2015 के लिए क्या लिया हुआ है? 6. Take T is equal to what? 7 for 2015. For 2015. YT cap is equal to 57.12 plus 9.06 into 7. Okay, 57.12 plus 42.63. Okay, 63.42. Now add this value in this question. Values 4, 5, 10 and 12. 120.54. In year 2015, how many vehicles are registered? 120.54 thousand vehicles are registered. Okay, so in this way we estimate the value of using 2015-16 by using this equation. In the same way you have to find or estimate value for the year 2017. Okay, year 2016 is given, not 17, 15, 2016. Complete students. Okay, this one is a least square method. There are also few sums in which graph will be asked. Okay, so in next lecture how you draw graph, okay, we will see. Okay, thank you students.